It's finally here. GTA 6 Trailer 2 has landed, and Rockstar did not hold back. They've dropped us straight into the sun-bleached madness of Vice City, and this time, it's deeper, dirtier, and more emotional than ever before. The trailer opens quietly. "What are you doing up there?" "Oh, just fixing some leaks." Classic GTA humor. Dry, sarcastic, and just a little weird. But this isn't just small talk. It's a metaphor. Leaks, cracks, pressure building under the surface. Because in Vice City, even the mundane feels like it's about to explode. I got some properties with paying tenants. Yeah, real estate isn't just business. It's survival. Everyone's hustling. Everyone's playing the game. And from that first scene, you can tell this world is alive. Not just with violence, but with characters, with personality, with purpose. Then just like that. "See you, Brian." "Love you, Jason." Wait, rewind that. Did GTA just show love? That's right, real human connections. It's a small moment, but it tells us everything. This story is about people, not just action. It's about what we're willing to fight for, or betray. Enter Lucia Caminos. Behind bars, but not for long. She's not scared. She's focused. She's getting out. And when she does, she's not just looking for a fresh start. She's coming for what's hers. Jason Duval is waiting for her. Mysterious, loyal, dangerous. You might have seen me here before. You can feel the history between them. Not just partners in crime, but something more. Two people bound by love, ambition, and survival. And then, the pressure erupts. Sirens, guns, shouts. "Hands above your head. You stay!" Everything goes sideways fast. But Jason and Lucia, they don't flinch. They've been here before. To new beginnings. You can feel it. They're planning something big. We see nightclubs, backroom deals, fists flying. "You broke my nose, that's what." A gritty reminder. This world is violent, raw, and unforgiving. And then comes the paranoia. They got your name, your address. They got everything. There's no hiding in Vice City, and when your enemies know everything about you, the only option left is to strike first. From fast cars to back alley shootouts, from golden beaches to dirty jail cells, Vice City is back, and it's more dangerous than ever. You and me, Lou, we got this. Simple, powerful. This isn't just crime, it's partnership. It's trust in a world where everyone's out to get you. And in true Rockstar fashion, there's no shortage of flavor. Come to Phil's Ammu-Nation today. We got more guns than the law allows. Yeah, the satire is alive and well. From over-the-top ads to wild-side characters screaming for attention. "Hey, if you got friends, can you hook me up, please?" Ha 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 ha. It's hilarious, it's chaotic. It's GTA at its finest. And just when you think it's all fun and games, we're reminded of what really matters. The only thing that matters is who you know and what you got. That line hits because in Vice City, it's not about right or wrong. It's about power. It's about loyalty. It's about surviving the storm and maybe, just maybe, building an empire while you're at it. So what do we know? Lucia and Jason are ready to take over. The city is ruthless, loud, and alive. And Rockstar is setting the stage for something massive. This isn't just another GTA game. This is a new chapter. A gritty, emotional crime saga. A love story wrapped in gunfire and neon lights. This is Grand Theft Auto 6. Vice City, baby.